All right, today's lesson is 4-4. What lesson is it?
4-4.
And our first activity is all about scrambled places. So I want you to look at this first one and read it with me here.
7,000 plus 400 plus 2 tens plus 8 ones.
What do you notice about those place values? Our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. What do you notice about them? Brielle?
They make up a number.
They do make up a number. What number would they make up, Brielle? 7,428. So all of these place values fell in order, right? Read this one for me. 1,000 plus 6 ones plus 5 tens
plus 3 hundreds.
Do those place values fall in order?
No.
You're going to get some problems like this where they jumble up or scramble up our place values. They still want you to tell me what the number is in standard form, but you can't just write 1,653. Because is that what this...
356.
First warning. This number wouldn't equal 1,653, right? My best advice today is to think about little hangman slots and have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then we can plug the numbers into the correct places to figure out what our number actually is. Otherwise, it's really easy for us to make silly mistakes. So, have your marker ready?
I have a marker. Because my marker didn't work.
And I would like Mr. Emerson to plug in my ones place, please. So Emerson's going to look at this problem and he's going to say, okay, it says that there's 6 ones, so he'll put the 6 in the ones place. Perfect. I like how you did it nice and big so we can see.
Oh.
Hadley, please come put in my tens place for me. Jade, go ahead and come in and put my hundreds place in. Keep it nice and big so we can see. And Landon, you can do my thousands place. Thank you. I like these multicolored numbers. This makes it more fun. Okay, class. What number did we create?
1,356.
I want to try one without the hangman letters and see how quickly we can figure out where it would fall. Okay? Show you. It's possible, but sometimes our brain just wants to plug them in the wrong ones. So I'm going to give you another one here. Ready?
It's not impossible.
And this one you can do at your desk. 8 ones. Plus 5 hundreds plus 2 tens.
That's easy. Can you make a harder one?
Oh, I'm going to give you a whole bunch. But for now, I want to see if you can do this one. I love how my back corner of the room, they're all solving this quietly. They're being some rockstar mathematicians back there. You don't have to write out my words. I want to see what's the number. What would this equal?
Is it 1,000? Is 8 in the hundreds or in the one spot? 8 ones, 5 hundreds, 2 tens.
Class.
Yes.
What I saw an 852. I saw a 582. And so it shows it's a lot easier just to make a silly mistake because they're jumbled. And so that's why I like to use the hangman numbers and why we're going to do it while we're practicing together. Capiche? We've got about 6 practice problems like this. So I need you really focused. So go ahead and erase. And we're going to see how focused we can be for 6 problems. If we stay focused this whole time, it's going to be your first point. Ready?
There's another 5 more minutes.
Numero uno.
Numero uno.
8 ones, 6 hundreds, and 4 tens. Go ahead and write down what the number would be. 8 ones, 6 hundreds, 4 tens. Remember to give yourself hundreds, tens, ones. Oh, I almost snuck and gave you the bottom one.
What is it?
Sorry. 8 ones, 6 hundreds, and 4 tens.
This is easy. You see
Let's see who's going to be my mystery mathematician to solve this problem.
How many ones?
Miss Lovegrove.
How many, which shows tens?
While she's coming up, everybody tell me what number would be in my hundreds place? What number would be in my tens place? What number would be in my ones place?
Easy.
Perfect, Savannah. Let's try numero dos. Thank you, girlie. This new one is 9 hundreds, 7 tens, and 1 1. 9 hundreds, 7 tens, and 1 1. You're going to be my mystery mathematician on this one. Are you ready?
What? I wanted to be a mystery. I've never done it.
Coming up, Miss Rylan. While she does, tell her what number would be in the hundreds,
9.
what would be in my tens spot,
7.
and the ones.
1.
She got 971. Perfect, Rylan. You can erase. Alrighty, everyone's gonna try numero tres. 5 tens, 4 ones, 3 hundreds. 5 tens, 4 ones, 3 hundreds. You could be my mystery mathematician, so you're not blurting before then, because we don't want to give it away. Hadley and Gunner. Hendrix, are you ready for this one? All right, coming up. Well, he comes up. Tell him, how many hundreds do we have?
3.
How many tens?
5.
How many ones?
4.
I think I'm only going to have you guys do one more of these. You're kind of crushing it.
Can we do 6?
We good? Yeah. Good work, Hendrix. Next problem.
Next problem. Next problem. Next problem.
Thank you, sir. 5 ones, 0 tens, and 7 hundreds.
That's easy.
5 ones, 0 tens, 7 hundreds. Miss Ellie, you are going to be my mystery mathematician.
It's never me. I didn't go to those questions.
Yeah.
I did 6.
A 0 on the one, or an O on the one? True, but you don't want to do that because you don't want them out of order.
Yeah, I know.
All right, Miss Ellie, come on up.
No, it's 7.
Tell her 3rd grade, how many hundreds do we have?
7.
Ellie's got 705. Bingo. You can erase that, girly. Should we move on to the next thing? And
Yes.
you'll get mystery mathematicians, okay?
Yeah.
Alrighty. My next bit is unscrambling place values to draw place value drawings.
Wait, what?
So, let me show you this first one. If they have 600s, 9 ones, and 3 tens, I would draw my 600s, my 9 ones over by my one. Oh, you guys can't see my picture, sorry. My 9 ones way over by where my ones would go. And my 3 tens in the middle where my tens belong. And then I can look at my place value drawing and say, all right, that's 635. So I'm doing first,
First,
I'm doing a place value drawing.
place value drawing.
Second,
Second,
I'm finding it in standard form.
I'm finding standard form,
Which is just the number.
which is just a number.
Are you ready?
Yes.
That means I could have 2 mathematicians per problem. But you gotta be ready. We're gonna do 3 practice problems like this. My first one is this. 9 ones, 3 tens, and 800s. 9 ones, 3 tens, 800s. First, you will draw the place value drawing. Second, you will be writing it in standard form. Draw the place value drawing. Then write the number in standard form. My mathematician to do this place value drawing for me is going to be Mr. Kirkman. And Madison will be writing it in standard form after he's done, okay? Come on up, Keegan. Instead of finishing it on your desk, you can finish it up here for me.
I finished it up here.
Oh, he's even just starting with the hundreds instead of the order they're written. That works. Emerson. He's got his hundreds,
Can you please?
his tens, his ones. Madison, come on up, put it in standard form for me. She's got 839. What do you think? Agree? Think something different?
I can't do it. Okay, do it.
Bingo. Go ahead and erase that for me, Maddie, and we'll move on to another. Kevin's not here to draw. All right, next problem. Addison, I'm going to have you draw my place value drawing. And Gunnar, when she's done, you're going to put it in standard form for me, okay? So Addison, I'll let you just start up here. That way you don't have to draw it on your desk first. Everyone should draw first.
First,
Draw your place value drawing.
Place value drawing.
Second,
second,
put it in standard form.
form.
Put it in standard form.
All right, let's see.
I already done it.
Okay, now put it in standard form.
What's the number? Standard form. 200s, 9 tens, 1 1. Make sure you don't forget to count your ten sticks and stuff.
Now, can you write your number in standard form? Did she want you to do that or to draw?
draw. Yeah. You have to draw.
No.
Is Addison supposed to draw?
Oops, Addison, you're the place value drawing. You gotta draw my 100 blocks and my 10 sticks and my ones.
No, I wanted to do that.
And you can erase the number because Gunner's gotta figure that one out after you draw it.
I wanted to do that.
Good. One at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4. Can we slide this one up to our 5s? So we got 5 groups. There you go.
I want you to take a look at how she's doing.
Go. That's okay though, Mrs. Schaefer, because sometimes that'll fit better on our paper.
Okay. Maybe we'll do it.
Alrighty, Gunner, you ready? You gotta come give us a standard form. Good job on that, Addison. Let's see what you got, Mr. Gunner. 200s, 9 10s, 1 1. Hustle, hustle.
Oh.
2.
Is it full? No. I don't like those questions where they just give you
Nice.
because of
I know it's almost too easy, isn't it, when it's in order? Perfect, Gunner. Will you erase that for me? And we're gonna move on one more problem like this, and then we're halfway through.
I should get kicked.
Halfway through.
That's not bad, huh?
Okay. Ready to go.
Practice numero 3.
Practice number 3.
8 1s, 300s, and 4 10s. First, draw your place value drawing. Then write your standard form. I'm going to wait a minute before I give you my mystery mathematician so that everybody's working it on their desk.
Can I see?
Nope. It's a mystery.
Done.
Wait, we're playing Ghostbusters now? Ghostbusters! It's a mystery. We have to find the mystery. LOL. There you go. Ghostbusters.
Riley, you've got my place value drawing. And my other mystery mathematician is Hendrix to do the standard form.
You got picked 2 times.
Have you already been up here for this? I'll let someone else go. Riley's good. And then Eli.
4.
I'll write my standard form. Nice try.
I'm gonna do
300s, 4 10s, and 8 1s. Oh, I have a lot of sidebars. Check them out. Addie. All right, Eli, go ahead and write it in standard form on the line for me. $300. What do you think, guys? I agree too, Mr. Muller. You can erase it, and we will move on. All right, we're moving on to activity numero 2.
Activity numero 2.
We got to practice some word problems with our place values now. So, who would like to read this first problem for me here? I'll zoom in a little more for you. Brielle, loud and proud.
The bookstore received 35 boxes of books. Each box held 10 books. How many books did this store receive?
Cool. How could I represent this problem if each box holds 10 books and there's 35 of those boxes? What could I draw with to represent this in a place value drawing?
It's go like this, like then.
10 sticks, yeah. Yep. So how many 10 sticks do I need?
35.
35.
5.
Now, when I'm drawing that many 10 sticks, where am I going to group them? Is it groups of 5 or is it groups of...
3.
5 10 sticks.
But what do you know about when there's that many? Instead of groups of 5, I can put them in groups of
Hundreds.
10, which makes 100. Okay, let's do that. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10, 20. Uh-oh, I'm losing some focus. Oh, I have to pause. I have mathematicians who aren't with me, and I know that I can't move on them. Are you ready? Okay, we're at 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. And how many are left?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every time that I've got 10 sticks, that equals 100. 100. 200.
300.
And then 5 tens would be... Oh, focus. How much is 5 tens equal to?
150.
So I've got 300s and 5 tens, so my total would be...
5.
350.
Oh my, I want you to think about that one again, because I heard a couple different answers. Really think. This picture... Oh, we're not flirting. This picture shows now that we've got 300s and 5 tens. I don't have any ones. So think. Don't shout it. Don't shout it. When you've got it, put your hand up, and when I drop my hand, we'll all say it together. We've got 300s and 5 tens. Think about what that total would be.
350.
It's 350 bucks.
You got it wrong, Anderson. You said 350.
This problem I'm going to have you guys do on your own. It says Maya's family picked 376 apples and put them in baskets. Each basket held 10 apples. How many baskets did they fill? And then how many were left over? So remember, first, draw your place value drawing. Second,
Second,
answer the problems.
answer the problems.
So you're going to represent their total of 376 apples on your desk. Go ahead. And I'll have a mystery mathematician come sketch it up here for us.
Wait, both questions? Wait, what is it?
Oh, sorry, I'll get it below the garland there.
300 cookies?
376 apples. Brielle, would you come sketch that place value drawing for me?
Yep.
You can do it on the orange part too. Oh, I'm seeing some smart work at desks over here.
It's easy.
It's a lot to draw, huh? But honey, do you have to draw 376 tens? Or do you just need to represent 376? So go ahead and give me 300s, 7 tens, 6 ones. It'll make your world a lot easier here.
My world's the bathroom. My world. Your world is going to the bathroom. Alice, you're the one who's sleeping. I wasn't sleeping. What were you doing? Napping? No.
Alright, she's got 376. I'm going to just... You can go sit down.
My pillow.
Now my question to you guys is, if each basket holds 10 apples, how many tens do we have? It's kind of a trick question. You have to really think about this one.
Wait, what?
How many tens do we have? Skylar?
We have 7, and then we also have 6 ones.
How many total tens?
Oh. 7?
There's even more than 7. How'd you get 37, Skylar? You're right.
Because, there's 370.
Bingo. And how many 10 sticks are in a 100 block?
10.
So if we look at this is like 10 10s go in this one, plus the 10 in here, plus the 10 in here, plus those extra 7. So Skylar said, how many baskets did we fill?
10.
37. And if we filled 37 baskets, because they're in groups of 10, we took care of those, how many are left over?
6. 1.
6 what?
1.
6 apples.
You have a challenge problem that I want you to complete on your desk for this next one. We're not going to do any of it on the board. Online ladies, this one's going to be in your slides today. So erase. Alrighty, this is the challenge that you're doing all by yourself, and we're going to check at the end. Won't you read it for me? Gunner.
When Joseph wrote, opened his piggy bank, there were 553 pennies inside.
Ooh, double check how many pennies again for me.
542
Okay.
pennies inside. He grouped the pennies and piles of 4.
Would you read both questions for me, sir?
How many piles did Joseph make?
Oh, read it again.
How many piles of 100 did Joseph make?
Okay, and?
How many extra pennies did he have?
So remember to solve this. First, make your place value drawing.
Make a satisfied job.
Second,
Second.
answer their questions.
Answer the question.
I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes to challenge you. If you need more time, I'll give it to you. But I think that in 3 minutes, you guys will all have this done. Good luck.